What is up, guys? Welcome to my trade recap of today. We took a beautiful win today. My discussion was A plus. I'm gonna show you guys why I took the trade, why I genuinely touched NQ this morning. So I actually took two trades, not only one. Let's go over first on my bias. So coming into the morning, actually, I was extremely bearish. Why? Because at the time we were kind of close to inversing this 4-hour bullish gap, and my condition was if we inverse this gap, then my drawn liquidity will be the weekly lows that are under here, right? Keep these weekly lows in mind, they're really important. So I was like, okay, this is my condition. Are we gonna inverse or respect this bullish gap, right? And at the time, I was extremely bearish, and I had no, I didn't think we were gonna go bullish anytime soon. So I wanted to take this short towards, like this really early short towards these weekly lows right here. And I took it around here, got break even. Unfortunately, just wanted like a quick 1-to-1. Didn't want to get greedy or anything, just quick 1-to-1, got break even once we hit the external liquidity. And this trade was just kind of like a continuation model. Hit the 15-minute unfilled gap, and there was also a 5-minute discounted inside. The only thing I didn't like about this trade, which does not make it A plus, is the fact we had a 15-minute unfilled gap right above us that we like genuinely edged. So we didn't even hit it, just got edged right there. So I mean, apart from that, I really like the trade. I'm really happy with the trade I took. A plus. I mean, not A plus. I'm gonna say B plus, honestly, because of that 15-minute unfilled above. Apart from that, really good trade. Would take it any day of the week. And then what else do we have? Don't mind these executions. I was just wanted to show my student how to execute on TradingView. He had problems, so whatever. Don't mind these. It was like one contract trades. The second trade I took was actually a long. Why? Because at the time, I was looking at ES, and ES was around here, okay? And I wanted these weekly lows to get taken out. I was going to be bearish until we take out these weekly lows. After we take them out, I want to see a bullish reaction, which we obviously just had right here on ES. What else? I wanted to see NQ react also bullishly. So at 10 a.m., around 10 a.m., that's where we hit these weekly lows, which formed like this huge ass S&T, this really pretty S&T. And like at the second we had the S&T, we just had this extremely bullish, market. All right. What I wanted to do is have a continuation because we clearly did not have a reversal here. A 5-minute tap, and then we tap back into the 5-minute, and then we just go towards these data highs from NFP this morning, okay? Or at least hit the 5-minute unfilled gap right here. All right, that was my draws on liquidity. Instead, what we do is we do not create a 5-minute, so I wanted at least a 5 to get created here. We did not have that. Instead, we have a 3-minute inverse. A 3-minute bullish fair value gap get tapped into, which was unfilled. And why did I take this? Even if personally I take 5-minute like minimum, 5-minute retaps minimum, because the drawn liquidity was so obvious. This low was protected by the S&T, by like we had the 4-hour right below us, we had like a 1-hour too. Like price was just obviously gonna like not go bullish, like I think did we tap this? We did not, but like it's so close. I honestly just want to say that we probably did on NQ. I want to check NQ if we did. If we tapped this 1 hour, because if we did, that's just even better, because that low just means it's like, yeah, that low is like protected, bro. Look at this, perfect example of protected liquidity. Unfilled gap, S&T at the low, like took out liquidity. Like this is so obvious, okay? So that's why I took the 3-minute as a retrace, and then we had a 1-minute IVG. There was probably a 2-minute, but I don't use the 2-minute much, so I just took it here and took it to the data highs. What happened was I didn't really trust the data highs as much. They were really like far away. They were like fucking 130 points away, so I was not sure if it was gonna get hit. So what did I do? I actually just trailed my stop loss at the 1-to-1 so I could secure profits, right? So price went up. I was really patient, took a long time for this trade, and then at the 1-to-1, okay, I waited a little bit, and then when we had this like bullish reaction, I went and I trailed this right here, and then I got edged for a couple points, and then came back to 1-to-1. So yeah, took this, got edged, and then unfortunately just went back to like break-even range. Didn't break even me, but would have hit full take profit eventually. I would have not liked to be in the trade if we were like still here. You know, I would not be happy. So yeah, that's my trade for today, guys. Ended the week really positive, really happy how I trade this week. I'm getting payout in March. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting this fucking payout. So tune in to see how I'm actually gonna get the payout. I'm gonna post these trade recaps every single day until I get the payout, and even after the payout, I'll keep posting. So follow the Discord if you have questions, and follow my Instagram. I'll put it down in the description.